Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare FastAPI versus VS Code. We'll explore their distinct roles in software development, understanding what each tool offers. This comparison will help you discern their primary functionalities and guide you in deciding when and how to best utilize them in your projects. We'll cover their core purposes and how they contribute to efficient coding practices. FastAPI is a modern, high-performance web framework for building APIs with Python 3.7+. It boasts automatic data validation, serialization, and interactive documentation, saving developers significant time. Its performance is often comparable to compiled languages like Go, making it an excellent choice for demanding applications. It leverages standard Python type hints for robust and clear code. Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, is a powerful, lightweight source code editor developed by Microsoft. It supports hundreds of programming languages through its vast extension marketplace, offering features like intelligent code completion, debugging, and Git integration. Developers worldwide rely on VS Code for its flexibility and ability to streamline their coding workflows across various platforms, enhancing productivity significantly. It's crucial to understand that FastAPI and VS Code are not competing tools. They serve entirely different purposes. FastAPI is a framework for building the backend of web applications, while VS Code is an editor for writing and managing your code. They are complementary, meaning you would typically use VS Code to write your FastAPI application. Choosing one over the other isn't the goal. Rather, it's about using both effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.